Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Maxwell Kavanaugh, and today I have the pleasure of showing you the Nautique G25 Paragon. If you just take a look at this exterior, it is stunning. You have the mystic white, the black hull bottom, and the steel blue metal flake for the hull rear. As we work around the back here, you'll see you have your big NSS blades, which is Nautique surf system. You have your surf pipe, your integrated steering assist, and also a ladder to board easily. On the platform here, you have anthracite sea deck, and that goes all the way throughout the boat into the cockpit, up into the bow. You have a nice little cooler here, and you have these big lounging seats that'll open up once we hop inside. So, let's hop inside. You can see now I've moved up to this extremely comfortable lounger. It provides a lot of support and they're really stylish. You can also see this nice big walkthrough right here and the sea deck going throughout. Again, anthracite sea deck. You have a nice transom stereo remote right off to the side to control your volume or switch songs if you'd like. As we move in here, the steps coming down are very subtle, which is nice on the knees. Seating throughout, storage underneath the seats, lots of storage. Everything is on supported hinges, so you're not lifting seats up and moving them around the boat, which is very nice. Moving to the tower, you have strapless board racks. Easily swivel in, pull up, clamp your board in, and you're good to go. Big speaker housings up top, housing two 8.8 JL speakers per housing. You have an awareness camera up on top of the tower actually, which is going to give you a nice view of the back end. Now this is a telescoping tower, so it comes down automatically. It's controlled with two buttons over here. So this tower will actually come down and telescope down, which is really cool if you have to get underneath bridges. It's got a big structure up on top, big bimini top. Gives you lots of shade in the sunshine. You have a few seats that actually flip up and face backwards, so when somebody's surfing or wakeboarding, you can easily view those riders real nicely. In the floor, you have a dedicated cooler compartment, which is really nice. You can see the fine details too, how Nautique puts sea deck on the cooler itself. Opening it up. Really easy to access, nobody's getting up to move. Underneath the passenger side seat here, you have, again, lots of storage. At the moment, the cover is placed in there, but it's very deep. Glove box. It's got a head unit in there to control the stereo system if you so choose to. Moving over to the helm seat itself. It's a race car inspired seat. You can kind of see the bolstering on it. You can see how it supports you in the midsection. And what's really nice is that there's a cutout, so when you turn around to talk to somebody in the cockpit, it makes it extremely easy. Up to the helm, you have two link pan array screens. One displaying information, the other gives you access to all the pages. You have your rotary dial off to the right with your hotkeys around that rotary dial. Throttle and steering wheel, big oversized mirror as well, giving you a nice view of the back end. Up into the bow, lots of space. Lots of space. You have a bow filler cushion here that flips over to the other side, which gives you a nice big lounging sun pad in the front. You have retractable armrests as well, just adding to that comfort. And you can just see all the fine details, the threads, the stitching. It's incredible. Moving to the pocket door, it is a pocket door. So you pull it out, slides in just like that. You can close off the windshield at this point and turn on your heaters, and you can be out until late October. With that being said, my name is Maxwell Kavanaugh, and this was the 2022 Nautique G25 Paragon. If you have any questions, please feel free to call our MarineMax Rogers location. This boat is located at MarineMax Rogers, so if you want to come in and take a peek, feel free. Thank you again.